Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your data structures and algorithm tutorial. On the agenda, we will look at what is computational thinking and why does it matter. Computational thinking is a strategy and technique that is employed everywhere. It plays a vital role in our routine life when problem solving. It has 4 stages: decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and representation. Computational thinking stages. Decomposition is the breakdown of any problem into solved problem, also known as the analysis of the problem. On the other hand, synthesis, the conjunction of a solution, its opposite and final stage of computational thinking. Pattern recognition is the act of finding and search and finding things that are repetitive within our problem and acting on them. Abstraction is the act of filtering out, removing irrelevant things from our solution. And representation is the act of sketching a solution that uses a diagram. To these for diagrams such as flowchart or pseudocode Representation is the act of sketching a solution through the use of a diagram, pseudocode, a class diagram, or any representational technique. What is computational thinking representation? Now, I want you to imagine your perfect cup of tea. There's no trickery in this question, but how do you make it? I will get the following item: tea bags, 2 teaspoons of sugar, cup, and milk. I'll boil the hot water, add the water in the cup, add the tea bag in the cup, add the sugar in the cup, finally add milk. This is an example of an algorithm, a finite step by set of a finite set of step-by-step instructions. This this is what's known as a flowchart. It illustrates what's happened to our problem. For example, when we're making a cup of tea. In the industry of computer science, pseudocode and flowchart are both accepted, and anyone can be used to design algorithms. You can even come up with your own, as long as you're designing the algorithm. Now, here's a more mathematical approach. If I ask you to calculate your body mass index, what is body mass index? Body mass index is the ratio of your weight to your height. Okay, so this algorithm is telling me it's a procedure saying that it has no return value. So output input weight in kilograms instructs the machine, or this is pseudocode by the way, that we are inputting taking input of weight in kilograms. And the next one tells the input height in meters. So we ask the user to input their height. We'll set a variable aside called BMI. Set the BMI to the weight divided by the height squared, and we'll output the BMI. And then we'll end the BMI calculator. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. On the next tutorial, we'll be looking at legal notation, what is space and time complexity, and some terminology covering big on notation.